Hello children, today we can study the second part of hardware components. Output devices. Now what is an output devices? Computer output devices receive information from the computer and carry data that has been processed by the computer to the user. Output devices provide data in many different forms, some of which include audio, visual and hard copy media. The devices are usually used for display, projection or for physical reproduction. So what we call output devices. And there are several forms of output devices that will be studied. First, monitor. The standard monitor is the standard output device of a computer system is the monitor or the computer screen. The monitor creates a visual display from processed data that user can view. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. Monitor come in a variety of screens, size and visual resolution. There are two types of monitors are there. What was that? TFT and LCD. Now we can study the second output devices. What was that? Speaker. Speaker is also an output device and speaker provide output in audio format. Headphones are also considered to be a variation of speakers. Now you can see the pic of speaker. Next one, printer. A printer produces a hard copy of the processed data such as documents and photographs. The computer sends the image data to the printer, which then recreates the image on a paper. Printers are mainly of two types. What are there? Impact printer and non-impact printer. Now you can see the pic of printer. Now printer are of two types. What are there? That we'll study. Impact printer. An impact printer make connect with the paper. It's usually form the print image by processing an ink ribbon against the paper using a hammer or pins. And it also called as which printer? Character printer. Example of impact printer are daisy wheel printers and dot matrix printers. Now we study non-impact printers. Non-impact printer do not use a striking device to produce character on the paper. And because these printers do not hammer against the paper, they are much cuter. And they have a better print quality. Which printer? Impact printer. Non-impact printer have better print quality. An example of non-impact printers are thermal printers, inkjet printers and laser printers. Now we study what? Projector. Have you seen the projector in our school also? No. You can see the pic of the projector. And what is a projector? Projector is also an output device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly the projection screen. The computer sends the image data to the video card which then sends the video image to the projector. They are typically used for teaching, giving presentation to an audience for viewing videos. So this we call as an projector. Now we study plotter. Plotter create a hard copy of a digital rendered design. The design is sent to the plotter via a graphic card and it creates the design using a pen. Generally used for what purpose? Engineering application. Plotters usually draw for image using a series of straight lines. Now you can see the image of plotter. Now we study the modem. Modem short form is what? Modulator and demodulator. It has in which device? It is an electronic device that convert digital signal of a computer into an analog form so that they can travel over a phone line. At the destination, the receiving modem convert the analog signal back into the digital form so that the destination computer understands the signal. Now you can see the pic of the modem. And modem of how many types? Modem are of how many types? 3 types are there. What are there? Internal modem, external and PC modem. Now you can see the transmission of signal through modem. Transmission of signal through modem. Now here is what? Computer is there and here is digital signals. Then modem is here, telephone lines, analog signal, that means here, and here is also one modem is there. So here is also computer is there. So that means the transmission of what? Signal through the modem. This was transmission of signal through the modem. Now you can see the connection of modem. Here is the connection of modem. You can, in this way you connect the modem. Here is what? Modem is there. It is connected to phone wall jack. Wall jack is there, and here is our system is there. Then here also modem is there. It is connected with the cable wall jack. And here this was the phone, and here was the cable wall. And here also gateway is there, and here our phone is there. So in this way you can connect the modem. Now last output device, what was that? Hub. Hub is a device that is used to connect computer in a network. Hub are commonly used to connect a segment of LAN, and LAN full form local area network. A hub contains a multiple ports. Small hub network, how many computers are connected? 4 or 5 computers in small hub we can connect. And larger hub you can connect to 8, 12 or 16. So even if 8, 12 and 16, if you are connecting computer, so you need how many ports? 24 ports is there. 24 ports is needed. Here how many ports are there? 4 ports are there with the individual power switches and LEDs included. So in this way the hub is connected. So today for this much only. Thank you my dear children.